Hey guys, welcome to Diecast Beast YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you these beautiful castings by Tomica Limited Vintage. This was released in 2019 November, as I remember, November or December. So sorry for the delay. So even I haven't opened these ones yet. So it's as it is. I received from the Hobby Search Japan. So I'll put the link below so you guys can go to that online shop and buy the car. So I believe that's a bit cheaper in that website. You can buy cheaper, but you know, I live in Australia, so postage always kills me. So anyway, let's open this one. So this is Honda Civic SRI2. So it's Tomica Limited Vintage Neo 182B. So this one is 182A. So when they release a new model, so they always name it AB likewise. So this is the first time they release this model, and this is the first color variation, and this is the second color variations. If there are more color variations, they will rename it under 182 ABCD likewise. So this one is the color hasn't mentioned here. What's the exact color name? I'm not sure. Can't read anything in Japanese. So this is normal typical TLV Tomica Limited Vintage box. So and as you all know, this is like exact 1:64 scale as mentioned in the box, and Tomitech, and you have the color as well here. This dot represent the color, exact color. So if you check on this one, yeah, see, it's white. All right, enough mumbo jumbo. Let's open these two. All right, here's the two models. So this is the 182A. It's not focusing properly. There we go. So if you check this one, see the details. I'll zoom a bit more in. You can see this one. Wow, it's very detailed. Is it focusing properly, or what's wrong with this one now? All right, there you go. Let's see. Let's check like this. So this is the car, wheels rolling perfectly, and see the way it says Tomica 1:64 Honda Civic EF. And if you check the car, all the details are here, you know, all the details. See the Honda badge, Honda license wheels as it is, Civic logo, VTEC, Type R, number plate, and see the exhaust pipe as well. Wow, and if you closely check, you can see the interior as well. Wow, and I like this color. See the color, beautifully done, Tomica, beautifully done. All right, let's do the next model. So this is the version B, color variation number 2. Same details, just the difference is the color. So yeah, there you go. It's a white one. Same details as the green color one. Same wheel variation as well, and it's similar rear details. Wow, these ones are highly detailed models. So you can't expect something like this from Hot Wheels or any other diecast manufacturer, because these ones are expensive. These ones are about 30 US dollars, 30 Australian dollars, and you know, it's totally worth the money, because you know, you can expect all the details of the actual car in this 1:64 mini model. So you see the exact scale. It's in real life, this one is a small car, so they have clearly put the exact proportions in the scale as well. So job well done, Tomica Limited Vintage, TLVN, another successful casting from you guys. So yeah, I'll do a photo shoot of this one and upload it in my Instagram page, Diecast B. So if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, please visit my Instagram page, Diecast B, and hit a subscribe button. And even this YouTube video, if you like this one, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe me down below, and I'll bring more diecast news later. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.